Normally, turmeric and lemon separately used in our kitchen for the various recipe and remedies. Some of the benefits you already know. But in this video, I will talk about the important benefits of using turmeric mixed lemon juice daily. To know the complete details, and a simple recipe to prepare this mixture, keep watching this video until the end. Turmeric and lemon both are very popular, and used around the world since ancient times. Turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world and is consumed by individuals for its many unique nutrients and compounds, as well for its distinct taste. While lemons and lemon water have also grown in popularity over the last few years. The reasons behind its many health-promoting abilities and detoxifying effects. When these two ingredients are combined and consumed together, it creates a nutritional and health-promoting powerhouse that can fight inflammation and reduce the risk of disease. Here are some of the amazing health benefits of consuming turmeric mixed with lemon juice regularly. It contains many important nutrients. Consuming turmeric mixed with lemon juice is a great way to add many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients to your diet. Both ingredients are incredibly nutrient-dense. Turmeric is loaded with manganese, iron, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and magnesium. It is also loaded with inflammation-fighting antioxidants and bioactive compounds that offer medicinal benefits. As you know, lemon juice is also incredibly healthy. It is loaded with vitamin C, niacin, calcium, iron, magnesium, and folate. As well, it is a great source of antioxidants and contains some fiber. It can improve immunity. Consuming turmeric mixed with lemon juice consistently can help to boost our overall immunity and reduce the risk of certain diseases. The anti-inflammatory abilities of curcumin, along with its high levels of antioxidants and nutrients, make turmeric a powerful disease-fighting and immunity-boosting spice. It can not only help to reduce common cold and flu symptoms, but has also shown benefits for reducing heart disease, brain disorders such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and even some types of cancer. Lemon juice can also help to boost our immunity and fight disease. The high levels of vitamin C can help to prevent and reduce symptoms associated with the common cold and flu. Vitamin C can also affect several components of the immune system while also stimulating the function and production of white blood cells. It can lower down inflammation. Turmeric and lemon juice can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, including chronic inflammation. Both ingredients are well known for their potent anti-inflammatory compounds and abilities. Turmeric is incredibly beneficial for reducing inflammation as studies have shown. This is largely attributed to the antioxidant compound curcumin. Curcumin is well known for its anti-inflammatory abilities and can reduce this ailment at the molecular level. The other nutrients, antioxidants and bioactive compounds in turmeric are also helpful in this regard. Lemon juice is also great for reducing inflammation. It is packed with vitamin C and polyphenols that can reduce free radicals and oxidative stress, while also flushing out other toxins that can lead to inflammation. It is good for heart health. Consuming turmeric mixed with lemon juice can also help to promote heart health in a number of different ways and reduce cardiovascular disease. Turmeric has been shown to not only reduce the risk of heart disease, but may also be able to reverse ailments that can lead to this disease. It can help to improve the overall health of our blood vessels and improve circulation. Turmeric, due to the compound curcumin, can also help to regulate blood pressure and reduce both inflammation and oxidation, which can lead to heart disease. Lemon juice is also very heart healthy. It is a great source of potassium, which can help to control high blood pressure. Studies have found that potassium can effectively regulate blood pressure levels. Also, these high levels of vitamin C and other potent antioxidants can reduce free radicals and inflammation, which can damage the cardiovascular system. This mixture is good for the skin. Turmeric and lemon juice both contain many skin-healthy nutrients and compounds. The curcumin in turmeric can help to reduce the appearance of age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. As well, the amazing anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric can improve the look and health of the skin, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Lemon juice is also great for the skin. It has natural antiseptic abilities which can help to reduce skin-related problems, such as acne and eczema. These benefits can occur if applied topically or consumed regularly. It is also packed with vitamin C, which has tremendous skin health promoting abilities. It can reduce inflammation, free radicals, and oxidative stress, all of which can damage the skin and lead to wrinkles and other skin conditions. These are some important health benefits of consuming turmeric mixed with lemon juice. Now let's take a look how to prepare this mixture. All you will need is 1 cup of water, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric, the juice from half a lemon, and a teaspoon of raw honey. Warm the water to the desired temperature, and then add the turmeric. Stir well and let it cool down for few minutes. Then add lemon juice and honey. Mix it properly, and enjoy this powerful health-promoting drink. You can drink this mixture 1 cup per day in place of regular tea, and drink it as early as possible in the day for best result. I hope all this information will help to improve your health and wellness. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us. And share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.